all, welcome to my channel Education, Art and Craft. Today I am going to tell you a speech about discipline. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Discipline. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that may sound simple but is very powerful. That is discipline. Discipline is the bridge between our goals and our achievements. Without it, even the most talented person can fail. But with discipline, even an ordinary student can achieve extraordinary success. Think about it: waking up on a time, completing homework regularly, listening carefully in class. These small habits build our future. So, let us promise today that we will be disciplined in our studies, our behavior, and in our daily life. Because discipline is not a punishment, it is our greatest strength. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.